Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Samriddhi, and if you're new to this channel, I'd be really happy if you just take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today I'm back with my another amazing video that is about my hair or my hair care routine, like what all products do I use and everything about my hair. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so an year ago my hair was so bad, like they were totally frizzy, totally dry with matlab I used to hate my hair. Like seriously, I used to avoid going out with those hair and everything. Like मेरे बाल पहले इतने फ्रिजी थे कि like अब तो they are very मतलब अब तो they are good, but पहले they used to be so bad कि I just जब भी मैं उस बारे में सोचती हूँ तो I am like तो मेरे हेयर बहुत ख़राब थे. देन मतलब उसके कुछ टाइम बाद I just changed all my hair care routine and everything, and I started using a different product. Like I changed everything, and अब my hairs are like this. Like I'll show you a before and after वाला clip after this video. You can see अब मेरे बाल कैसे हैं. Like I'll show you all the texture after combing and everything. But you can see like अब मेरे बाल और पहले I'll show you वो कैसे. So I started using some products and I'll show you my products. So I started using these 3 products, which are Herbmine shampoo, then the same brand Herbmine hair oil, and the same Herbmine conditioner. So I swear these products are just wow. Like I'll show you first. I'll show you the hair oil. It smells so good, even though it has onion, sweet almond, coconut, olive, jojoba, arnica and भृंगराज. Like मैंने पहले ऐसे products देखे हैं जिसमें भृंगराज और ये सब होता है and they smell like वो मैं अगर अपने बालों पे लगाऊं तो I can't, मतलब मैं उसको सहन नहीं कर सकती. But this oil is wow. Like it's also for all the hair types and it has 100% natural active ingredients. Also it's made in India. So the best thing, promote India products guys, please. Also it's totally very मतलब वो बहुत costly भी नहीं है. The hair oil is $5.99, in which you will get 200 ml of hair oil, जो मेरे हिसाब से 6 months आराम से चल जाएगा यार. तो why should we not go for this one? So first I used this hair oil and it's just wow. Then the shampoo that I use is this Herbmine shampoo for healthy hair growth. You can see the bottle. It's the same with packaging. It opens like this, and its texture is so good. Like you can see, it opens from here, and इसमें सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है, the directions and everything. Also, it's sulfate free, paraben free, cruelty free, and nasties free. यार इसमें भी this is also made of enriched with onion, rosemary, tea tree and keratin. If you all know, tea tree is very good for our hair, like वो frizziness और ये सब, and it helps in dandruff. Like अगर आपकी dandruff है, you should use tea tree. It can just खत्म कर देगा भाई, वो खत्म कर देगा dandruff. Also it's made in India. It's 100% natural active ingredients for all the hair types. Go for it. Also the cost of the shampoo is $4.99, which is 200 ml, और ये भी I guess 1 month, more than a month चल जाएगा. हाँ, and ingredients यहाँ पे सब लिखा हुआ है, for सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. Also इसमें added fragrance, color और ये सब नहीं है. It's totally natural. That's the best thing I liked about this product. And of course यार, these products, मतलब अभी तो I haven't shown the conditioner, but these 2 products has changed my hair to 0 to 100. So I can just love them. Then the third thing that I use is Herbmine hair conditioner, and then this is the best thing that I love. This is made with onion, avocado, shea butter and silk protein. मैं कसम से बता रही हूँ, when I wash with this conditioner ना, my hair is like मक्खन. Like इसमें जो shea butter and silk protein है, this works oola la guys. मतलब I am so in love. Then it's for all the hair types and 100% natural active ingredients made in India. And what all यार, मतलब I तो loved it. Seriously, I तो loved it. Then it's made in India and directions इसमें लिखी हुई हैं how you have to use. Then also it's paraben free, sulfate free and everything. No added fragrances or color. It's totally natural. And these 3 products are which I use, which changed my hair. Also the conditioner is $4.99, so it's totally, I mean everyone can afford it. ये बहुत ही ऐसा ब्रांड है जिसमें you are getting the thing also in a very good price. That what all और क्या चाहिए भाई. Like ये मुझे एक ऐसा ब्रांड लगा जिसमें you are getting a thing which is very natural also in a very मतलब एक ऐसा प्राइस जिसको हर बंदा अफोर्ड कर सकता है. So it's like what all do you want भाई, इसमें सब है यार. So it's like I just loved these products and they changed my hair. Also you all should just try these products. I'll mention all the links like how you can buy in the description. Do try यार, अगर अपने बालों को मस्त बनाना है, मक्खन बनाना है, do try this. And also it's really worth it. Like if you think 600 or 700 is a very big amount for you, then I'll promise you that it's a worth it product. You should try this. And yeah, that is all for the video. That is all about my hair care routine. Yeah, that is all for the video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share or subscribe to my channel. Bye.